Finally doing some long form after doing hundreds
नहीं
of.
ये नहीं, we'll just start like honest conversation on
ठीक है.
Manchester United.
So this is an honest and non-faff and a non-banter conversation with the United and United fans. Of course, I'll start with Rajat, the honorary United fan.
You know, honestly, at this point, it's I think हम लोग जब भी बात करते हैं कुछ यूनाइटेड के बारे में कुछ बात नहीं निकल रहा है. At this point, it's like very tough for me to say anything regarding, because it's just I'm moving further and further away by being not giving any rat's ass about the club. I'm just feeling more and more distant day by day, game by game. It's just getting worse and worse.
After the Everton game, we were thinking, what do we say? Because actually, what do we say?
What do we say?
वही same चीज 4-5 चीज घिसी पिटी चीज क्यों बात करेंगे? Then why do the players need motivation?
This is Old Trafford. First of all, we play one game every 10 days. अभी ये स्टेट है, कोई कंपटीशन भी नहीं है. FA कप बाकी है बस. चैंपियंस लीग तो मतलब इज अ डिस्टेंट मेमोरी फॉर नाउ. मेरे को याद भी नहीं है लास्ट कब खेले थे. यूरोपा लीग इज गॉन. कारबा कप वी वर आउट, लाइक वी गॉट ह्यूमिलिएटेड. एक प्रीमियर लीग बचा है जो लास्ट ईयर भी ऑलमोस्ट आउट ही थे, बच गए. एंड दिस इज यूनाइटेड आफ्टर 10 days. वी आर प्लेइंग एट ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड आफ्टर अ मंथ. एक महीना बाद यू आर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट एवर्टन.
प्लेयर्स लाइक कुछ भी बोलना, प्लेयर्स एंड फैंस आर एक्साइटेड. कुछ भी बोलना, लोग कि इतना करने के बाद, हारने के बाद कुछ नहीं आता ना. एवर्टन के साथ एवरीवन, आई वाज मीटिंग एवरी यूनाइटेड फैन, बेचारे सब हंसे, सब एक्साइटेड थे. सब एक्साइटेड थे. एवरी फुल टीम इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक हुआ, चाहे कितना भी गाली दो, कोस दो, हाँ अच्छा है यूनाइटेड इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक इज देयर, नो फुटबॉल. बट व्हेन द गेम स्टार्ट्स 2:30 बॉस रात में,
I'm excited bro. एक घंटा पहले I'm excited. क्या लाइनअप है, ज़ॉक्सी खेल रहा है, मेनू, कैसेमीरो, no matter what I like, it's frustrating. Excitement तो रहता है, right? Excitement रहता है. And then you see 10 men, ठीक है, again 10 men Everton. How, genuinely, how is it even fathomable कि you lose to a 10-man Everton at Old Trafford, and not like crazy injuries like Sesko or Cunha injured. We still have, you cannot lose to a 10-man in one of the most disgraceful performances in my life I have seen at this Old Trafford.
And Ruben Amorim says कि यार उसको भाई मेरे को तुम लोगों ने क्यों बोला. मैं मतलब जब 5 हफ्ता हम अच्छा खेल रहे थे, 4 हफ्ता जो हुआ था वो ड्रॉ हुआ था, 3 मैच जीते तो 2 ड्रॉ हुआ था और हारे एक भी नहीं थे.
क्या नॉनसेंस है ब्रो. एक अमार डियालो स्क्रीमर था एंड में और वो लास्ट में डिलेक्ट में था. ही इज नॉट डन सम क्रेजी थिंग्स टू गेट दैट ड्रॉ. We've just nicked those 2 draws. और ये तो आना ही था. It was and if he's saying I had a feeling from minute 1 that this is not going good. Press conference में बोल रहा है वो. What are you doing about it? Why do you have this feeling, Amorim? Like genuinely, I am baffled. Like I'm getting, this is just repetition.
Like it's so repetition. Like at this point, सारे United fans have like exhaust हो गए,
mentally
exhaust हो गए.
It's genuinely, जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है, I think in the next 12 months मैं नहीं बात कर, like I won't be able to make content
it's
on
no
the club.
fun, like at banter after banter, मतलब there is an exhaustion. वो आ गए, like वो थक गए लोग, पक गए कि भाई कितना banter करेंगे सेम चीजों को लेके. And to be honest, after Ruben Amorim, the club is dead.
I don't think 45 points in 13. Make me the manager, I can do better than Ruben Amorim. 45 points in 39 games. I am dead sure anyone can. This is the worst managerial record in the history of the club. One of the worst managerial records for any top 10 club, 5 clubs, any top 10, 30 clubs in the world.
So that means, is he the worst manager in United?
For sure. The numbers speak for itself.
Eric Ten Hag.
No, the number speaks for it. He's worse than Eric Ten Hag. And it takes a lot to be worse than Eric Ten Hag. And I want to speak on something motivation, okay?
Yeah.
Motivation is really a topic that is really affected me in football. एक बहुत बड़ा important. एक player जो मतलब, okay, you have done, बच्चा से you're practicing, you've made your everything, you've made your life. Of course, you've hit the jackpot. You've hit the monetary jackpot if you have made as a football player, let alone a Manchester United player. Yeah. And today's 20 साल पहले ऐसा नहीं था. Motivation used to come by itself. You think Cristiano Ronaldo को 40 साल का उम्र में wants to play for Portugal, wants to play at the top level. He has enough money to last in the next 10-12 generations. उसके next 10 कोई पेंसिल भी नहीं उठाना जिंदगी में उसने उतना. Yet he is doing this on a weekly basis.
Yeah,
but Roy Keane को 20 साल पहले मोटिवेशन चाहिए था. वेन रूनी को मोटिवेशन चाहिए था. यू थिंक एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन को मोटिवेशन. दीज प्लेयर्स वर वॉरियर्स ऑन द मिनट 1. वेन रूनी 2010 was earning as much as Vinny Jr. is earning right now at Real Madrid. Are you understanding the levels that we're talking about right now?
That's wild. That's wild. That's wild.
There is a level to this. And a player at Manchester United, आज के दिन में, any player, they think they've not even stepped foot on the pitch. They think they made it in life. I'm like, this is it. I have reached peak aura. I have made enough money for my family. I have like done a thing which they have. I don't think more than 600 odd humans or like 800 people have ever played for this club. So I'm sure they have joined an elite group of people. But motivation for us to see you not run on the pitch, not go for second balls, not having the willingness to pass, not having willingness to score goals, create chances, just run, losing to 10-man Everton.
That's like, you know, that was the match I was expecting United to win. Firstly, कि Everton का है. Everton, what's the standing right now? I don't know.
Honestly, आज के दिन में क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है? It's Arsenal 1 और rest all is like 2nd to 18th, 2nd to 20th. क्या है Premier League Arsenal में? 11th.
11th in
It's on points with United. I think United, Liverpool and Arsenal. United. हाँ.
United, Everton, Liverpool.
Yeah, same points. इधर उधर ही है. That's the level right now.
And what's up with Bruno? Like he's giving a very hit or miss vibe right now. With
Reject.
United.
I said it to you all before. Rejecting 100 whatever amount was the
120
biggest
mil.
mistake one of the biggest mistakes we've made. The club is just naive and stupid.
And you know, fans लोग celebrated that time. अरे पैसा बच गया, ये मेरा loyalty, मेरा loyal.
कहाँ खिला रहे हो number 10 player को midfield में भाग. It's just basic. It's just I don't understand. Every United manager, the basic चीजें होता है ना, they always get it wrong.
Like after buying 3 attackers, मेरे को अभी भी नहीं समझता एम्बुमो के अलावा कौन खेल रहा है.
कौन खेल रहा है?
सेस्को बेचारे को बॉल नहीं मिलता है.
कुनिया ने एक गोल मारा है 15
कुनिया ने मतलब कुनिया doesn't start also.
सेस्को गेट 0 सर्विस.
सेस्को doesn't get.
एक गेम में उसको कहीं पे सर्विस मिल जाता है तो और कहीं पे एक दो मिस करते हैं फैंस एकदम सेस्को क्या किया मतलब it's nonsense.
Bruno is playing where he shouldn't be playing firstly.
Yeah.
And midfield दादाजी फिर भी कुछ भी कर रहे हैं भाई.
एक पूरा टीम, मैं बोल रहा हूँ पूरा टीम कैसेमीरो के कंधे पे है. नॉट फुल टीम. ही इज द होल्डिंग. लोग गाली देते उसके वजह से है टीम कुछ वो जाता है पिच के बाद. देयर इज नो स्टेबिलिटी, देयर इज नो बैलेंस, देयर इज नो फोकल पॉइंट बिकॉज ब्रूनो डजंट हैव द डिसिप्लिन, ही डजंट हैव द IQ टू प्ले इन अ सेंटर मिडफील्ड रोल. बट
But still, I think you know players. I think you know Amiram को लोग बोलते हैं, but I think players go away with very easily this time. Players बहुत शानेपंती करके निकल जाते हैं. There is no say, जवाबदारी नहीं, accountability नहीं उनको.
That is a inherent United issue. That is a inherent कुछ नहीं. That is a inherent United issue where the fans just don't want to go against the players. जाते ही नहीं है. Saeed TV, there's a big YouTube channel, United fan. He's outside Old Trafford ranting. चिल्ला रहा है players manager के ऊपर. हाँ. और बाहर एक United. Why are you shouting? Just enjoy the atmosphere. This is after we have lost 10-man Everton at Old Trafford. मतलब हम यहाँ पे 3:30 बजे बैठ के रात को मैच देखते हैं, 10 दिन इंतजार करते हैं एक मैच का.
And by the way,
क्या बोले यार?
By the way, you know हम इतना rant कर रहे थे, the club is earning money. Profits में है.
Record profit about 894 million.
The club is in record profits. The management is chilling. They don't
बोल
give
रहा हूँ
to-
ना, हम मामू हैं, मतलब हमको मामू बना के सब जाते हैं.
Like you know the management is chilling. Like you
Yeah.
see Real Madrid boss.
Yeah.
हिल गया club.
Yeah.
You see, if you imagine like Real Madrid without Perez,
It's scary. Honestly, I'm like scared for you.
like you know, it's like
Yeah,
मेरे को
it's
सोच के
scary.
डर लग रहा है. And then imagine how like you know the
Yeah.
importance of management and the president
It's so important.
means a lot. Like if I see from a Real Madrid lens, and now if I look at Manchester United, जहाँ
कोई
के
नहीं है.
presidents इतने जब president owners
अरे
इतने
कुछ नहीं
झंड
है,
है.
कुछ सब झंड है.
So that is why you know
सब
the
झंड है.
difference
That is not
between United and Madrid.
Yeah, it's
Like एक आदमी कितना बड़ा major.
कल को पेरेस को like if he finds Mbappe is going, he will not think in a heartbeat to sell Mbappe. Who's one of
भाई
the
वो
who's the
Haaland
best
ले
player in
आएगा.
the world?
वो Haaland ले आएगा.
कर लेगा वो.
वो
He
Haaland
can
ले
do
आएगा.
it.
He can
And
do
that's
it.
the that's how big that personality lives, eats and breathes Real Madrid. Win. That's the motto of Real Madrid. And see what they did in the last 15-20 years. क्या कैसे only win. United make money. मामू बनाओ. Fans को गधा बनाओ.
And lately the fans are being गधा बनाओ. I think
कुछ है, हम actually fans have stopped giving a fuck. मैं भी मतलब बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि like what to do यार.
But
एकदम
like
मतलब
ठीक है, the next match is against whom?
पता ही
क्या
नहीं
है, किनके
यार.
साथ खेल
क्रिस्टल
रहे हैं?
पैलेस वो तो पेल ही देगी.
For Crystal Palace away every time.
It's
Home
him.
away. Home away होएगा.
अवे ओल्ड ट्रैफोर्ड में 10. अरे क्रिस्टल पैलेस ग्लास ना यू मैड वी आर नॉट बीटिंग क्रिस्टल पैलेस.
No, they're fifth in the Premier League also, by the way.
Oh, yeah, they have. Bhai, we are not beating Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace is head and shoulders above any, like, where is
Yeah.
Crystal Palace? Where is United?
So
We are getting out.
30th
It's 3
November.
at the back, huh? It's 3 at the back versus 3 at the back. Glasner plays 3 at the back. He also plays 3 at the back.
So
और Amorim तो हर एक मैनेजर से आउटक्लास होता है टैकली. Every manager he plays gets outclassed.
and
He
the
gets
biggest
outclassed.
achievement is beating Liverpool at their worst
At
stage.
their worst in the last 10 years, at their worst we beat Liverpool, and that's the biggest achievement.
But that's all. ठीक है. If this video reaches to United fans, good. Like stay. I know.
Let us know what like
Like I really
we
want to know what
your
you feel.
comments. जानने का like
is it just us who who are feeling about the club, because we have to move away from the banter. Like let's just get real, boys.
and now it's like honest. This is
Like-
an honest conversation.
Like,
honestly,
I think the only club is going banter because of that hair guy. It's like so sad that the focus is shifting from the club to that hair guy.
but is reality. Ruben Amorim को एक साल लगा to win 2 games back to back. 2 games. It is reality. It's an eye opener, भाई. जो है सही किया है उसने. भाई रियलिटी दिखाओ ना क्लब का. 5 games back to back. This is Manchester United we are talking about.
It's okay, it's fine. This was it, guys. First of many.
Yeah.
Just like send this video to everyone, and then hope this video reaches out to United fans. Till then, just if you haven't subscribed,
Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know your thoughts.